This is one of my favourites. This is the stone martin or beech martin. They come right up to the house in the springtime because they are fruit lovers as well. So they like the loquat tree. As you'll see, here they are eating loquats that have fallen down. So this is as much as I see of them. They do climb up into the tree to eat the fruits as well. They usually just zip about super fast, so you can hardly see them. But very occasionally you get a little glimpse of them like this. So this one's spotted something, so it's twitching its tail in a very cat-like way, and even a little arch of the back there, and watching those little bear ears. And then it sits down. So this is as much stillness as you see from these creatures. And the longest I think I've ever seen one in detail. I've never seen them with my own eyes, only on these camera traps.